Hi, my name is Jessie Kitchens, and I'm a product design manager at Meta Reality Labs. I came to UX design from an unusual background. I have an MFA in acting and did some improv and screenwriting, and through a lesser known discipline, conversation design. In this day of digital assistance, it's become more and more common for people to interact with technology using their voice. And conversation design leverages natural language understanding and probabilistic models to try and understand what the person said and what their intent was in saying it, and how the system or device should respond based on that. I started in interactive narrative design and then moved on to chatbots and voice assistants, to human-robot interaction design, and now I support a team of designers working on our first-party assistant across Meta devices. The more energy and debate we put towards what makes a first-in-class user experience, the better our products have the opportunity of becoming, the more impactful for our users. And so I'm really excited to see the product and design thinking, then the innovation opportunities that are revealed by this pool of submissions. And selfishly, I'm really excited to be in discussion with this cohort of design leaders on the jury around these challenging and important product spaces. Good UX design is rooted in what humans need and how it is most intuitive and beneficial for them to access it. Does it increase their well-being and their satisfaction? Does it make things that were previously impossible or prohibitively challenging easier for them to achieve? Does it meet them where they are, leveraging their mental model and capabilities? One of the reasons that I love working with language technology is that it is an input mechanism that many of us have been using for most of our lives. And with that comes the opportunity to democratize access to information, although admittedly, we have a long way to go. This is by no means a net new UX feature, but as someone who spent most of her life living in cities with robust public transportation and who only recently bought a car with a screen interface, I am often struck by how much value I get from lane guidance when navigating via maps. The signal is so clear, the perspective of the UI matches my experience of the road, and it allows me to release a source of anxiety in an environment where anxieties are often present, resulting in increased safety for myself and my family. And as a user, there is very little I value more highly than that.